Good. Now, which one is the book? Okay. Now, put the book in front of the babies. Good. Now, what is this?
This is pineapple.
What color is it?
It is yellow.
How many pineapples are there?
Three.
Okay. What's the woman doing? Calling. Okay. Tell me about the flowers. What color are the flowers? Okay. Where are they? Are they on the table? Okay. Now, what is this?
This is
Do you eat fish? Yes. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat bread? Okay. Now, what are these? What color are your eyes? Brown. Do you wear glasses? No. What is this? Can you play guitar? No. Where do you listen to the music? Do you listen to the music in your bedroom? No. Okay. What are these? Do you like bears? No. What's your favorite animal? Cat? Okay, now. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Okay. Who lives in your house? Mom. And is your bedroom big or small? Not very big.